Play to the max with ROG Phone 5, the gaming phone that takes no prisoners. Powered to win by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform, this futuristic wonder packs an unbelievably responsive 144Hz, 1 millisecond display, a monster 6000 mAh 1 battery system, massively upgraded AirTrigger 5 game controls, and our iconic Game FX audio system. ROG Phone 5 will take your gaming to a new dimension, if you dare.
Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform takes mobile processing power to a new level. The all-new Performance Manager in Armoury Crate now packs the renowned X mode, with multiple system profiles to give you even more performance settings and performance tuning tools, so you can instantly adapt ROG Phone 5 to the task at hand. Boasting an industry-leading 300 Hz touch sampling rate, the 144 Hz, 1 millisecond AMOLED display, built by Samsung, gives you a super smooth gaming experience, with an ultra-low 24.3 milliseconds touch latency. The supreme visuals are enhanced even further with world-beating color accuracy, the new always-on HDR technology that improves non-HDR visuals, and a screen that's protected by the toughest ever Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. ROG Phone 5 is built to endure, and built to win. The AeroActive Cooler 5 clip-on external cooling fan can lower the surface temperature near the CPU by up to a stunning 15 degrees Celsius. Controlling a game by moving your phone is a cool and intuitive way to play. The ultrasonic side sensors, one of the most loved features of ROG Phone, are still here, with support for all your favorite gestures. The monster 6000 mAh battery inside ROG Phone 5 now comes with a 65-watt hypercharge adapter, so you can get a day's use from just a short charge.
Gamers love to use characters and screens from their favorite games to show off your style.
Constant and reliable wireless connections are vital for multiplayer games. ROG Phone 5 is one of first devices with Wi-Fi 6E support, which delivers much more stable connections even in crowded networks. ROG Phone 5 cares for your gaming comfort. We love RGB. ROG Phone 5 features Aura RGB lighting with the unique dotted ROG logo, which can be illuminated in 2 different colors simultaneously to create a color gradient appearance. It also supports a variety of colors and lighting schemes.
Triple camera system on ROG Phone 5 is designed to produce superb quality photos in any setting. It features a flagship Sony IMX686-64MP main wide-angle camera, an ultrawide 13MP second camera, and a macro camera. Enhanced software features include a Pro Video mode as well as free zoom, wind filter and acoustic focus functions to make your video quality stand out. There's also a 24MP front camera for high-quality group selfies and live streaming videos.